August 19th, 2020. Oh yeah, nectar flow is on. We have good traffic in and out. All three hives are pushing good traffic. Cranking. Just wanted to catch it. And I see a lot of bees heading back off to the north here, which they weren't yesterday. So I suspect that more goldenrod is opening out back and they're starting to work that. So we'll just come in here close for a minute. I just want to catch some of this pollen coming in. Tremendous amount of pollen coming in. Those last three bees that came in, the fourth one there, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, 9, bunch of them, and that's all my sweet corn pollen. I can tell by the color. So that's exciting. We'll take a look at the top bar hive quick. So the top bar hive is just thriving. Loaded with traffic, bringing tons of pollen and nectar in. Tons and tons and tons. Just rocking. Super stoked about all that. And I probably should get back in this hive soon and do another inspection. I'd just like to see how it's evolved since I last inspected. I think that was at least a month ago now. And just curious what they're doing inside of there now, but no question about it, this colony is absolutely thriving, and that's really encouraging. So I'm going to go try and get a couple of clips of honeybees in holy basil and other pollen nectar sources. August 19th. I was out here observing pollinators before in the holy basil. Bumblebees are working it. Honeybees are working it. Hens are talking smack about who's laying more eggs. tremendous amount of bumblebees in this holy basil as well, and many other wild pollinators that are very small, that I'm not experienced enough in entomology to recognize or identify, but there are lots of them. And one thing we know about nature thrives on diversity. Here we go, the daily trot. What you doing, cheapers? What you doing, cheapers?